In this video, we're going to discuss the SEO tab of the store setup. So to get there, as always, we click the settings link, which will load the store settings, and then the SEO tab. Okay, now in our demo store here, you can see we already have some fields filled in, and we'll go through that in a second. Now, if you haven't done so already, you should register your site with Google's Webmaster Tools. Very, very important. It helps validate your site, and it, of course, at the same time tells Google that your site exists if they don't already know that your site exists. When you click this link, it's going to open up a new tab, and that tab will open up here. Now, we're not going to talk about how the Webmaster Tools site works because Google has a number of videos, and there's hundreds of other videos throughout YouTube that'll help you with Google Webmaster Tools. We are going to talk about how your site works and the basic fields you need to set up. So, first off, the store title. Okay, now the store title is actually the page title that's going to be used in every single page of your site. You can type in whatever you want here. We recommend not putting in any exclamation points or any funny characters, but something like, discount auto parts. Okay, your store description, you can type a book in here, even if you think you are going to run out of space. Okay, and then your store's keywords. Now these are what's referred to as the meta tags. You've heard the most basic search engine optimization folks talk about that. And you can type in here something like auto parts and import parts and brake pads, etc. Now these values will be used on every single page of your site. As the system is being used and pages are being generated, we will actually append the page titles for you. So for example, if you're looking up a 2000 Ford F-150 front brake pad, we'll actually put 2000 Ford F-150 front brake pad dash whatever you type here. Okay, so consider that the title, description, and keywords are used on your home page and then every other page in the site. And of course you might be wondering, well, can I change those tags on every other page? And the answer is yes, but we're not going to talk about that now. We're just going over the basics. Now, the sitemap link. When you generate your sitemap, we're going to generate your sitemap based on the products that are in your product database. The link that you send to can be either searchitem.epc or item.wws. If you roll over this question mark, it'll tell you the two different values you can type in here. Basically, searchitem.epc is for integrated customers. In other words, customers that are integrated with some warehouse management system or distribution management system, and you're getting your price and availability from that real-time feed. If you put item.wws, the page that is generated comes from the products found in your product table here. Okay, so this is an important field, and if you're integrated, you use search item, and if you're non-integrated, you would use item.wws. The sitemap links per file you can leave blank. It'll default to a number, I think the number is 40,000 links in each sitemap file that we generate. And if for some reason you wanted to make that number smaller, you could put in a number here between, I think, 1,000 and 40,000. When it's all said and done, you hit the save link, and that's pretty much it. Now, one important thing, some customers have created support tickets saying when I change the title, description, and keywords, it doesn't show up on my site. That's because the title, description, and keywords require special tags inside your HTML code. Okay, and if you need help with that, you can create a support ticket and we will lead you to the right place to get those tags. That's it for the store setup SEO tag. Thanks for watching.